Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. I'm so happy you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sleepy sidekicks in the room. This fuzzy bum over here is Zena. Wyatt is the white fuzzy bum. I'm not sure you can see him. There's some more of the fuzzy bums. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. I am back today with the summer Curateur collection. Love Curateur. This is through Rachel Zoe. She puts together the best collections, and we're going to dig right in. One of the things I love best about her collections is that there are generally customizations, so you get to pick items, pick between the jewelry. Sometimes you'll pick between silver and gold, or pick between earrings or a ring, or a necklace and a bracelet. You can always add items and shop her very large shop. She has a boutique shop which has many items. All right, so here is what I see when I open the box. She has the premier shopping experience and a little pamphlet here, which I believe should tell me about the items inside this box. All right, this one's going to be fun. Okay, Curateur is $125 a season if you buy it season by season. If you just purchase the entire year at a time, it is $450 for the entire year, and it usually is a $400 value. I'll put my link down below in case you'd like to give it a try. If you use my link, you should get money towards your very first box. All right, first up, sunnies. This was a choice. This is the Nina sunglasses. It's a $98 value. They came in the nude crystal or the black gray. I chose the nude crystal because I do have a lot of black sunglasses, which is usually my preference. So I decided to go outside my comfort zone this time and do the nude. What do you think? How fun are these? Fun, right? I love a sunny. So these say dressing for summer is always light and effortless, which creates an even better canvas for accessories, and of course my favorite sunnies, the Nina sunglasses. Here is the dark choice, so if you wanted to choose the black, that's what they look like. I'm kind of enjoying this for a change, the lighter color. And they do come with a case. This fun little animal print. Yeah, I like these. There's kind of the side. These are fun. I like these. All right, that's the first item. And these are a nice weight. They do not feel cheapy. They feel really nice. Next up, this is the CABI Mini Macrame Bag by Laud the Label. It's a $118 value. Look how cute that is. And it's a nice size for like just the essentials, right? So you can see how far it goes to my arm, all the way up past my wrist to here. And you can fit, obviously, your sunnies fit all the way in there. You could probably fit your wallet, your keys, your lipstick, your phone, all would fit inside here. And it says, it's no secret that I'm obsessed with all things 1970s. So for me, a macrame bag in summer is quintessential. The wooden handle feels so good and vintage, but the color blocking brings it into modern day. So it mixes well with every style. How cute is that? It's 100% cotton exterior, and the lining is handmade in India. So cute. Zena's making sleepy sounds already. We just got in here. She's hilarious. Next up, ooh, Sun Shield Body Glow SPF 50. So this is Sun Shield Body Glow, $39 value. She said, I can't stay away from the sun, so finding an SPF that makes me want to put it on is crucial. This one is so radiant and light, plus it has a coconut scent that's to die for. So that is nice. I don't ever go out in the sun without sunscreen myself. I'm pretty fair skinned, so I always have to use sunscreen. So I love that she sent sunscreen and one that smells amazing. It's always good. So I'll be using this. Next up, jewelry. I love that she always includes jewelry in her collections. This is Etika, the Starry Charms Chain Link Bracelet. It is a $45 value. She says summer is all about dressing with ease, so it's nice to find jewelry piece you can leave on no matter what you're changing into. That's why what I love about this charm bracelet, so it can easily be dressed up or down. Let me see here. So here is it came in, oh, okay, good. And even comes with adjustable, additional hooks. So if you want to add them in, you can make this bigger, you can. Here is how cute is that? Very pretty. And for some reason I'm hearing beeping. Somebody's car horn is going off in my neighborhood. That's lovely. So hopefully you guys can't hear that like I can. It's very loud. This is so pretty. Can you see that? Very pretty. Let's see if I can get this on and show you what it looks like. So here's what it looks like on. How pretty is that? So cute with the little charms. Cute little sparklies. You see that? Here's the smoke. I'm not showing you the sparklies. They're turning on me. There we go. See? Very cute, right? And then you can layer them like I have it on now with other bracelets, which I think would be super pretty. So pretty. All right, and I still have one more item to share with you. This one is called the Walter Baker Corsica Sarong. This was another choice item. It came in 2 different designs. What were they called here? The Magnolia and the Chain. These here. I chose the Magnolia. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. And it is just a sarong. Wear it over your bathing suit. You probably wear it as a skirt. How pretty is that? Beautiful, right? I love it. The colors in this are just gorgeous. And it's longer. I love it. This one has a value of $148. So pretty. I feel like you could dress this up, dress it down. It does come in one size, and it is made from 100% polyester. And let me throw this on and give you a quick look of what it looks like. All right, so I tilted this down a little bit just so you could see this. It is so, so pretty. Just tied it here on the side. You could put a little tank top on. You could put it over your bathing suit. It's longer. Tilt it down a little bit more here just so you can see that it is longer. I put it over top of my dress. It hits me right about above my ankle. Yeah, so pretty. So that's my summer Curateur. What did you think? I've got my sunnies. I'm ready. I could pack all this into a beach bag, I feel like. This beautiful sarong. I actually feel like you might be able to even tie this up a little bit like higher and wear it over a bathing suit around your chest as well. SPF 50, ready to go. My beautiful bracelet. I have my little bag. So something if you just need your most essentials, carry this with you. And yeah, 5 items. I think I covered it all. This bracelet is so pretty. It feels nice on too. I will put all the information for Curateur down below in case you would like to give this box a try. Let me know what you thought. Comment down below. I always have so much fun with this particular box. Love Rachel's O's collections. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.